Hello and welcome back to Oxen channel. This week's topic is daily life. Do you remember Terry from yesterday? We talked about his daily life, what he does sometimes, often, usually, every day. Today, we're going to look at some similar sentences. Pay attention to the words in color and try to repeat after me. Let's get started. Always. Always. She always gets up at 7. This is 100% of the time. Usually. Usually. Usually is maybe 90% of the time. We usually have dinner together. We usually have dinner together. Often. Often. Often is maybe 60% of the time. Ali often eats breakfast alone. Ali often eats breakfast alone. Poor Ali. Sometimes. Sometimes. Sometimes is maybe 30% of the time. I sometimes exercise in the morning. I sometimes exercise in the morning. Rarely. Rarely. Rarely is maybe 10% of the time. Not very much, not very often. He rarely goes to bed late. He rarely goes to bed late. Never. Never. Never is 0% of the time. Never. We never smoke. We never smoke. And finally, ever. Ever. Ever means we don't know how often. We want to know. So we ask a question like, do you ever watch cartoons? Do you ever watch cartoons? Well, that's all for today. Don't forget to practice. We will explain the grammar tomorrow together. Until next time, thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.